How to contact Uber Eats support. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can contact Uber Eats support. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber Eats. After you open up your Uber Eats, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then tap on the account option on the bottom right. You should be on this page right here. There you'll find a help option. Tap on help, and from here you can choose what your issue is for. You can see restaurants and stores option as well, so choose what your issue is. So let's say it's delivery and pickup basics, and from here you can see the highest rated option. So from here choose whichever you want, and if something is not helpful, you can just go through with it again. And yeah, that's basically how you can contact the support. So let me just go back here again. Tap on report a map issue. You can report a map issue as well. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That is how you can contact Uber's support. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.